Want more Hebrew videos like this? Subscribe to our channel.
Hi everybody, I'm Edith from HebrewPod101.com. Do you know how to say I love you in Hebrew? In this lesson, you'll learn 3 different ways to say I love you and a special phrase for Valentine's Day. Let's start with the most common phrase. אני אוהב אותך. אני אוהב אותך. I love you. This phrase is direct. You should use it only when you're confessing your love. If you want to be less direct, you can use this phrase. אתה כל כך חשוב לי. אתה כל כך חשוב לי. It means, you mean so much to me. Now, if you want to be more romantic in expressing your love for someone, you can say this phrase. מילים לא יכולות לתאר את האהבה שלי אליך. מילים לא יכולות לתאר את האהבה שלי אליך. It means, words cannot describe my love for you. Now you know 3 different ways to say I love you in Hebrew. And here's one more. What if you want to spend Valentine's Day with someone special? In that case, you can say, התהיה בן זוגי בחג האהבה. התהיה בן זוגי בחג האהבה. It means, will you be my Valentine? Let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what we've learned. Listen to the expression and repeat after me. I love you. אני אוהב אותך. אני אוהב אותך. You mean so much to me. אתה כל כך חשוב לי. אתה כל כך חשוב לי. Words cannot describe my love for you. מילים לא יכולות לתאר את האהבה שלי אליך. מילים לא יכולות לתאר את האהבה שלי אליך. Will you be my Valentine? התהיה בן זוגי בחג האהבה? התהיה בן זוגי בחג האהבה? Well done! Here's a fun fact. According to Jewish tradition, on Tu B'Av, or the Jewish celebration of love, Jewish girls would go out to dance in borrowed clothes. Do you know why? Jewish girls would go out to the vineyards wearing borrowed white clothes. The clothes were borrowed so that no one could distinguish between the poor and the wealthy, so as not to embarrass anyone. You just learned 3 different ways to say I love you in Hebrew and 1 special phrase for Valentine's Day. Also, don't forget to download your free cheat sheet on how to be a good lover in Israel, including words for romance, compliments, and pickup lines. Check out the description below and go to HebrewPod101.com now. I'll see you next time. תודה רבה! Should I? Yes. Wonderful wine.
Okay, nice.
Take it, darling. It looks fabulous in you. Come on, please take it. Please. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, wow. I can't believe it. Do you know 17 ways to wear a scarf? Because I do. I told you I could do this all day. That was a fail. No, yes, no. Oh, look at all this money. Do you want some money? I'll give you. Oh, that's what the young people are doing today, right? I'm just a person.